Welcome everyone to Prince tutorial. So today I have a simple tutorial to do. It's text bubbles animation. So I have my footage and my sound effect. So let's dive in. But before we start our tutorial, let's smash the intro. So soon after dragging my footage, I'm gonna go to the titles tab, choose any title because we are going to make an adjustment for that. For me, I will go with this title 27. Soon after you drag it to your timeline, go to properties, and then advance, and then make sure it's highlighted here in this title tab, and then click the trash icon, and then I'm gonna add a shape. As you can see, our shape is really ugly, so we are going to try to adjust that to look good. I'm going to change the font, maybe something a little bit smaller, I guess. Something like this is not bad at all. And change the animation to typewriter and adjust this. I'm going to add a time. Now I'm going to adjust the second text bubble.